Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to do my Poshmark sales videos a little bit differently from here on out. Tell me if you like it or don't, but I'm going to actually do a screen share and show you guys exactly what they sold for, and then you can actually see the fee structure as well. So I'm going to go through my next couple of days of sales on the screens and show you everything that I sold and give you a grand total of how many orders that is and how much my total profits come out to be. All right, here we go. All right, so let's get right into it. My first one that I'm going to go over is a huge bundle. I'm super excited about this. And so each one of these items cost me $1, so I have $8 totally invested. If you look down here, the bundle price was $40, and then I ended up with my earnings being $27.20. So $27.20 minus my $8. And I will do the math for that at the end and give you total profit numbers. So that gives you an idea of what I'm doing there. So let me show you what I sold in this bundle. So I've got a lace crossback bralette, Exhilaration, Pioneer Sage. I've got a sporty mesh racer bralette, Vivid Violet, medium. I've got a sporty rib lacer bralette, Exhilaration. I've got a wireless lounge bralette, extra small. I've got a nursing full coverage macchiato tan under wire. I've got a women's branded lace bralette, Exhilaration, color is pink. I've got a seamless macrame acid wash bralette, black. And the last but not least, another seamless macrame acid wash, but in the color red. So I sold all of those in this bundle. And so we're going to go to our next item in the orders. Then I sold a pair of women's Chelsea rain boots, a new day, waterproof, size 7. I've got a few more of these for sale, so check those out. As you can see, I sold them for $13. A Poshmark fee was $2.95. My shipping discount I offered was $1.80, so my earnings were $8.25. I paid $7, so I've got $8.25 minus my $7. So $1.25 is my total profit on these pair of boots. My next item that I've got for sale is a Wild Fable long black sleeve ribbed Henley dress. Very, very cute. So as you can see, I used a stock photo for the main one, but then I also used my own photos. So if you're going to use a stock photo, also include your own photos. That's always a good idea. So as you can see, it sold for $14, Poshmark fee $2.95. My shipping discount I offered to get the sale is $1.80, and then $9.25 is what I earned, and then I paid $2 for it, for a total of $7.25 for my total profits. Then I have got a bundle of underwear, PJs, and socks. That sounds perfect. And so as you can see, my bundle price was $20 that I earned. I've got $1 invested here, $2 invested here, and another $1. So I've got $4 total investment. And then I have a Poshmark fee of $3.40. My earnings are $13.60. And so I've got $4 invested, so $13.60 minus my 4. If you see why I'm looking down, I'm actually keeping a tally for myself so I can give you a total profit number at the end. So let's look at these closer. So I've got this set of briefs that I sold. I've got this pair of PJs that I sold. And I've got this set of socks that I sold in that bundle. So bundles are always a great thing to sell. Then my next thing that I sold in these 2 days is a really cute black and white sweater cardigan by Who What Wear. I sold it for $15. Poshmark fee was $13. As you can see, I did not do a shipping discount, so they bought that one outright. My earnings were $12. And then I paid $2 out of a liquidation box. So I've got $10 invested in, or invested, not invested, but profit on that item. Then I've got a beautiful, cute floral exhilaration dress. I think I had this in 2 separate sizes. This is the last one I have left, but that one is really cute. But you can kind of see this, the things I do as far as pictures. So I like to make sure that I take care of all those pictures. So the price it actually sold for was $7. My Poshmark fee you see there, my shipping discount fee you see there, $2.25 is what I earned on this one, and then I ended up paying $2 for it, and so that one actually came out to only a 25-cent profit. But like I said, I sold the other one for actually much higher dollar amount. So one listing, one made good money, one did not so good. But then I have a women's Pontanelle chenille cocoon cardigan. I've got more of these for sale. They're super, super soft, very warm, extremely cute. So check out my store if you're interested in those. Sold for $24. Like I said, it's chenille, so it's really soft. My earnings, as you can see, is $19.20. I've got $2 invested, so $19.20 minus my $2 comes out to $17.20 for my profits. And then I have, if you see Paul in the background, he's actually packaging everything that we're selling. So if you want to give a shout out, say hey Paul in the comment section below. But the next thing I've got for sale is a New Day Brianna over the knee boots. So those are super cute. And so they sold for a really good price. I've got more of those for sale, but those cost me $4 of an investment. And so I made, as you can see, $16 right here, minus my 4, 16 minus my 4 comes out to $12 of investment. And then I've got another bundle of undergarments. So I've got some panties and another set of underwear. And so that is a $2 investment that I paid. But I've got these seamless Fruit of the Loom panties and these Hanes cotton hipsters. So if you ever get a liquidation box and it has these small things, feel free to make a bundle like that. So $12 is what I earned, as you can see there. Right here is where you see my earnings. And then minus the $2. And then I've got $10 of actual profit. Then after that, I have got some really cute ankle cowgirl boots. Look at those. Aren't those fabulous? I just think they're super cute. By Universal Thread. They do not come with a regular box, but they're in really great shape. So they sold for $19. You can see the Poshmark fees there. $13.40 is what I earned. So $13.40, and then minus my $4 that I invested, and that will be my profit. I'm going to add all these up at the end for you, but I want to kind of move quickly through these just to kind of give you an idea. All right, then I've got, these are so cute. I love these. I wish they were my size, but unfortunately they weren't. I just love these. Universal Threads ankle boots, this cute plaid pattern of black and white. And so those actually sold for $10. I actually earned $7.05. $4 is what I paid for them. And so I'm at $3.05 for my profits on that one. And then I have one more item in these 2 days of sales. I know you see things for sale above that, but we'll go over those in the next video, so just stay tuned. But hopefully this new way of showing you what I sold is much more beneficial. So these are a pair of women's Cassie Black Combat Boot Mossimo lace up. As you can see, I use this stock photo and this stock photo, but I've got the actual boots shown in these pictures here. Those actually sold for $8. I made $5.05, and then I paid $4 for them. So $5.05 minus the 4 is $1.05 for profits on those. So I'm actually going to add all of these up and give you a grand total for these 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark, and then come right back at you. All right, I've got everything added up and it comes up to $100.20 for 12 separate orders on Poshmark. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold these last 2 days on Poshmark. Let me know if you love the new format of me showing you the actual pictures of the item right on the screen share. And if you like that better, because I would love to be able to do this because I feel like you get to see the products better and you get to watch my hubby in the background packaging everything. So it's going to get out the door and hopefully it's been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.